In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your own logo with Canva. First, open Canva and go to your home page. Then, create a new design. You can search for logo or start with a blank canvas. Now go to the Elements tab on the left side. Search for icons or graphics that match your brand, like a coffee cup, camera, or any symbol you like. Drag the element onto your canvas. Click on it to resize and position it the way you want. Now go to the Text tab and click on Add a heading. Type your brand name or logo text. Click on the text to change the font, size, and color. Choose a font style that matches your brand, like modern, bold, or playful. Move the text around and place it near your icon until everything looks clean and balanced. You can adjust colors to match your brand style and keep everything simple and clear. Once you're happy with your logo, click on Share in the top corner. Click Download and choose PNG for the best quality. Canva will export your logo ready to use. That is how you make your own logo with Canva.